Next one, a horizontal pipe. Horizontal pipe. This is horizontal pipe. Horizontal pipeline pressures will be falls by 10 atmosphere between, that is pressure difference between these ends of these tubes, that is P1 minus of P2, that is equal to m pascal. This is pressure difference. So between these 2 points separated by a distance, that is distance d is equal to 1 kilometer. Next, the change in kinetic energy per unit kinetic energy of the oil when the oil will be flows from this one point to another point. Oil is flowing through this tube from one point to another point. This is point 1, point 2. Oil will be flowing through them. Then calculate the kinetic energy of this, what is it? Oil. Change in kinetic energy of the oil per kg, that is delta of Ke. Delta of Ke per kg means 1. That is, here density of this oil is mentioned, that is 800 kg per meter cube. So according to Bernoulli's principle, that is P1 minus of P2 is equal to 1 by 2 into rho into V2 square minus of V1 square. So therefore, what is that? Pressure, actually changing kinetic energy value, that is density is equal to mass by volume per unit volume asking. Therefore 1 by 2 into V2 square minus of V1 square, that is equal to V1 minus of V2 divided by rho. That is P1 minus of P2 is 10 divided by rho density of this liquid, that is 800. So it cancel 1 by V. This is change in kinetic energy per unit, what is that? Mass. And that means m value is equal to 1. So volume of liquid flowing per unit time, that is V by T, that is called volume of fluid flowing per ton. Per unit time is V by T. Asking question is, what is it? D is the diameter of the tube. Diameter of the tube it is mentioned. Next, here at a point, the radius where the radius is equal to also, what is that? D. Volume of fluid flow per unit time through a pipe of diameter is, what is it? V. That is V by T. It is mentioned as V. Next, at a point, the radius is, what is it? D. At a particular point, the radius will be becomes, what is it? D. Then at a point, radius is, what is it? D. The velocity of the fluid flow, it is question. Actually, it is not uniform pipe. So liquid is flowing through this pipe. At first point, the diameter is D. Later, the diameter gradually increases. Here, radius is become as, what is it? D. So what is the velocity of the fluid at another point? Therefore, V by T is equal to A into B. Actually, volume of fluid flowing per unit time is equal to area into length of the tube divided by time. That is A into length by time is nothing but velocity. So this is formula. So V by T place mentioned, V is equal to A is nothing but pi into R square into V. V is equal to V by pi into R square. but here radius r is equal to what is that, diameter, that is v divided by pi into d square. Next, so water is flowing through a horizontal pipe. This water is flowing through a horizontal pipe of non-uniform cross-sectional area. The rate of volume of fluid flow, that is V by T, is equal to 0.2 liter per second. This is volume of fluid flowing per unit time through a pipe. Then the pressure difference is, the pressure is what is that, 300 pascals at the point where the area of cross section is the area of cross section A1, here area of cross section is A2, here A1 is given is a 5 meter, 5 into 10 power of minus 5 meter square, and area of cross section at other end is also mentioned, that is what is that, 10 power minus 4 meter square. And next, pressure at this point, first point is mentioned, P1 is equal to 30,000 Pascal. This is pressure at first end. And pressure at second end we can find. Here, pressure is equal to, pressure difference is equal to P1 minus of P2 is equal to half into rho into V2 square minus of V1 square. This is according to Bernoulli's principle. Here, rho is the density of the liquid. Actually, water is flowing through the pipe. The density is 1000 kg per meter cube. Actually, this is horizontal pipe. Area of cross sections, first end is A1. Area of cross section at other end is A2. Here volume of fluid flow per unit time is mentioned, 0.2 liter per second. That means in 1 second, here 0.2 liters of fluid is flowing through it. The density is mentioned, 1000. Area of cross section is given. Area of cross section at other end is mentioned. Then what is the, here question mark, that is pressure at second end. Question mark. Pressure at first end is given, pressure at second end we can find. Okay, so therefore what is that, P1 minus P2, P1 value is 30,000 minus P2 half into rho 10 power of 3 into, here P1 V2 values we can measure. V by T is equal to A1 V1. So V by T is nothing but 0.2 1 liter 1000 cc 10 power of minus 6 meter per meter. Okay, meter cube actually. So that is equal to A1 5 into 10 power minus 5 into velocity is V1. Okay, so that is 2 into 10 power of, what is that, plus 3 into 10 power of minus 7, that is 5 into 10 power of minus 5 V1 actually. So 2 into 10 power of minus 4, that is equal to 5 into 10 power of minus 5 V1. 4 get cancelled, 10 take into left side, 20 divided by 5 is equal to V1. V1 is equal to 5 4 yeah, that is 4 meter per second. This is velocity at first end. Velocity of the fluid at second end we can find. So that is V by T is equal to A2 into V2. V by T is, that is 0.2 into 1 liter 1000 cc 1 centimeter cube 10 power minus 6 meter, that is equal to A2 area 10 power minus 4 into V2 we can find, and therefore 2 into 10 power of minus 4 is equal 10 power of minus 4 V2. Get cancelled. V2 is equal to 2 meter per second. So these values directly substitute in them. V1 actually here pressure difference V2 square is equal to V2 is velocity at this what is it second end. V1 is velocity at first end. So pressure at first point is not pressure at first point. Pressure at large cross sectional area is mentioned. That is A2 is equal to 10 power of minus 4. Asking question is what is it? Okay. The pressure 30,000 at a point where the area of cross section is 5 into 10 power of minus 5. That is pressure at this point at area. Next, the pressure at this what is it? Where the area of cross section, pressure at area of cross section 10 power of minus 4 meter square. Okay, pressure at area of cross section. Actually, you can you will get T1 minus of T2. Otherwise, you can change that formula. Why? Because area is less. Here, velocity of the fluid is more at this point, and area is more, velocity is less. So that's why P2 minus of P1 that is equal to half rho into P1 square minus of P2 square. P2 is pressure. We can find minus P1 30,000. We will get same result in previous formula also. So V1 square that is 4 square minus of 2 square is P2 minus of 3 30,000 that is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 power of 3 into next 4 4 16 minus of what is that 4 that is equal to P2 minus of 30,000 that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1000 into so 14 minus of 4 that is 12 2 1 ja 2 6 ja that is 60. P2 is equal to 30,000 plus 6,000 that is equal to 36,000 Pascal. Next, a tank full of water has small hole. This is full of water. A small hole is present at the bottom. Next, so 1/4 of tank is what is that empty in T1 tank. So time taken that is H1 is equal to what is it 1/4 of tank it is complete height of the liquid is H. Second time what is it here it is 1/4 of tank it is empty. That means next height is equal to H by 4 that is equal to 3H by 4. This is 3H by 4. This is first one. The time taken that is initially H1 is equal to H. Actually second time height is equal to H minus of H by 4. It is empty means it is going out. So remaining height is equal to 3H by 4. So this is H1 is equal to H. This is H2 is equal to 3H by 4. Next, so time taken is H2 3H by 4. It will take time T1. Next, 3H by 4 to what is that empty means completely 0. It will take what is that T2 time. Therefore, T is directly proportional to root H1 minus of root of H2. So this is physical formula T1 by T2. Asking question is times ratio. T1 by T2 is equal to ratio question 1 root of H1 minus of root of H2 is divided by root of h1 minus of root of h2. This is first time, this is in second time. That is t1 divided by t2 is equal to root over h minus of root over 3h by 4 divided by root over h, what is that, 3h by 4 minus of empty means 0. So root h take common, that is 1 minus of root 3 divided by 2 divided by root of h take common, this is root 3 divided by 2. H cancel, that is 2 minus of root 3 divided by 2 divided by root 3 divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 minus of root 3 divided by root 3. Okay. So next problem is, what is that? But here